Here is November 16th, 2016, Wednesday, the Pueblo Chieftain, page B of the local news. And, wow! Oh my God, you'll never believe this. Page 11C of the Pueblo Chieftain. Well, Allison Ernst was the illegal guardian ad litem appointed in my water case, 1967 CV 17664. Allison Ernst said she did not know if you could proceed in property cases in a water court and while you're at CMHIP. Now she's a judge for, guess who? Replacing David Krockenberg. Nah. Now you wonder why she was doing illegal activities in the water case and why she wouldn't report it to CBI and FBI as it was required and asked of her, it was demanded of her. Well, looks like Allison Ernst is going to go down for some pretty big organizing and conspiring in some big court cases. If she didn't know that basic guardian ad litems cannot proceed, if people cannot proceed in property cases until they are deemed competent, then she should not be a judge, because that's, you can even look up in a basic law dictionary guardian ad litem and it'll tell you that in a basic dictionary, law dictionary. You don't have to be an attorney to know that. That's like basic 101 stuff. And 101 means, you know, basic classes. That's what they call the classes in college. Anyways, well, Allison Ernst in the CMHIP building, in the visitation center, she stated that that she sees every day that judges violate the law at least a couple times a day, and that it's okay. And this lady right here, Allison Ernst, she said that, oh, it's okay. It doesn't matter if it's Michael Fronte's attorney or not. Nobody will ever care about Michael Fronte, and nobody will ever care about the crime in Pueblo, Colorado, and about me and the water. Well, the property was only, you only bought that property for $15,000. What do you care? That's what she told me. It's all recorded. And she says, oh, nobody will care about Michael Fronte. Oh, nobody will care about the crime that happened in Pueblo, Colorado. Pueblo's just a tiny little town. Nobody will care about that. Well, guess what, Allison Ernst? They will care. That water's going to 3 states, 9 counties, and that water is $67.5 billion in just the water profits. That's not the hemp petroleum. That's not the hemp crops. That's not all the textiles. That's not the marijuana. That's not the medicinal and recreational uses of all the marijuana fields going to be grown from the water. That's not the plants, the foods. That's not the livestock. So yeah, Allison Ernst, a lot of people are going to care about this case. Oh, and you forget, Oprah is involved in this case. Everyone will want to know about this case. And you forget, Michael Fronte is a famous singer, whether you like him or not. Paparazzi's all over this stuff, honey. And they're going to have that CMHIP visitation room. They're going to get your little taps there, and so will FBI when you said, oh, it doesn't matter, it's only Pueblo. If you're already taking that kind of a tactic, Allison Ernst, then you're a bad judge already. And you haven't even got started. And you already don't know your law. Don't worry, there's a lot of it recorded. A lot of it. And the transcripts in the water case showing that you already don't know the law. And you're going to rule over criminal cases where there's competency? Whoa, this is scary, people. Very scary.